Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to create the trending 3D Pixar style sticker photos using Google Gemini's Nano Banana tool, the latest AI feature that can turn your photo into a cute and expressive chat stickers in seconds. So let's get started. First, just open your Gemini. You can open it through your browser or to the app like this, and log in with your Google account. And then when you on the homepage like this, just tap on create image or tools icon and then create images like this. This is just same way to activate the Nano Banana, the feature that lets you generate or edit images instantly using just a text prompt. Next, just upload your photo. Just pick one with a clear face and good lighting, cause this will help the AI create better facial expressions and smooth 3D details later on. Just tap on plus button and then gallery and then just choose your photo like this. And then next, let's come the fun part. Let's typing a prompt. Before, I have already prepared one prompt like this. You can just copy my prompt, just copy this exact prompt, or you can also adjust it to match your own character concepts, like change the describe or change the prompt with different emotional expressions that you want. Next, I will just copy my prompt and then go back to Gemini, paste it, and then just generate. And okay, like this, in just a few moments, just there you go, your Pixar styles 3D sticker are ready. It looks super detailed, expressive, and it's so cute, perfect for messaging apps or social media stories. And okay, that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.